The 2026 Apple Watch Ultra is expected to be the first model to switch from OLED to micro LED. Looks set to have a significant large display and a higher price tag. A new supply chain report suggests the display could grow up to 2.12 inches. As you know, Apple's display roadmap has been leaked, which began with IPS LCD with conventional backlighting. Next up was IPS LCD with mini LED backlighting. Apple switched to this for the iPad Pro models now it's using on the MacBook. The switch to OLED began with the Apple Watch before reaching iPhones as of iPhone 10. OLED iPads are expected early next year with MacBooks to follow. Micro LED comprises of microscopic versions of conventional LEDs with entire array of these making up each pixel element. Micro LEDs are 100 times smaller than traditional LEDs. In time, Apple is likely to adopt micro LED for all its devices, but that switch is expected to take a decade, starting with the Apple Watch. Be ready for fishing out higher prices for the Apple Watch Ultra. And this change is welcome because Apple Watch 2 is exactly like Apple Watch 1 with only a little better processor.